Today's discussion is going to be truly transformative because we're diving deep into the signs that you might be a chosen one. Now, what does it mean to be chosen? It may not always be fun and games, but you may be on a unique path that is just for you. Stick around, and you might discover some incredible insights about yourself. Let's kick things off with the essence of authenticity, your true self. Have you ever felt that pretending to be someone you're not just doesn't sit right with you? Well, you're not alone. Many chosen ones resonate with this feeling. You understand that embracing your true self is a form of freedom, and you're on a journey to liberate your mind from societal conditioning. Not conforming to social norms can be easier said than done. We are constantly bombarded by peer pressure and a status quo. But as Oscar Wilde wisely said, "Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. There is no one else to be other than yourself, and only you can determine your actions and reactions." Now, let's talk about that inner radar, your truth sensitivity. Chosen ones have a unique sense for detecting when someone is being fake. It's like having a built-in authenticity detector. This ability sets you apart and is often linked to the activation of your third eye, allowing you to see through illusions and deception. Because of this sensitivity, you find yourself unable to be around others who constantly put up a facade of their reality. You recognize these interactions for what they are, shallow and empty. Because of this, you have been slowly separating yourself from others that are not true in spirit. Your insatiable thirst for truth drives you to question the status quo and follow your own path. Are you a truth seeker? Because of your truth sensitivity, you find yourself searching for more answers. Deep down, you have a profound curiosity to explore the mysteries of existence. Chosen ones question everything, especially established truths and norms. Instead of blindly accepting information, you prefer to ask questions and follow your own heart. You recognize that all the answers you seek can be found by turning inward. You embrace the journey of self-discovery, understanding that the pursuit of truth is a continuous process. With more and more understanding, you get glimpses of the bigger picture, and things start to come into focus. Like a camera's blurred image realigning to what's in front of it, your world becomes clearer. As a truth seeker, you find solace in the realization that each question posed is a step towards unraveling the infinite layers of knowledge that shape your understanding of the world. Do you feel like you are changing and growing at an exponential rate? That's because you probably are. You are being prepared for something bigger, and your past self wasn't ready yet. Determination is a common trait for a chosen one. Challenges, instead of breaking you, obstacles are seen as stepping stones to make you stronger and wiser. Each challenge you face is like a transformative journey preparing you for something even greater ahead. As Robert Frost beautifully said, "In 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life. It goes on." You can look back at the hurdles that you have faced and realize you are stronger for each step you take. Like a butterfly reflecting on its journey up the tree to make its cocoon, you have overcome much to get to where you are today. Your steps and struggles are a mosaic of your life, adding beauty to the person you are today. Do you often feel like you're more than the sum of your parts? That's a sign of being unique to your environment, feeling different in your family, marching to a different drum. It's all indicative of a bigger purpose. Chosen ones often stand out, and that uniqueness is a crucial part of their journey. Embracing your uniqueness is not a deviation, but a manifestation of your distinctive path in the grand tapestry of existence. The sense of being more than the sum of your parts can serve as a compass guiding you toward fulfilling that greater purpose that sets you apart in your journey. Do not forget where you came from, but understand where you want to go. Do you find yourself choosing kindness even despite past mistreatment? This is a significant sign. Not everyone can make the choice of compassion when it's difficult, but you recognize it as a greater calling. Helping those around you is a way to share your light and bring warmth back into the world. Mahatma Gandhi shared, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." Chosen ones recognize interconnectedness, emphasizing compassion for every living being. It goes beyond ego-driven separation and resonates with a genuine desire to make a positive impact. You may start with helping those around you, but find it growing out to strangers you have never met. You truly are called to be the change you want to see in the world. Have you ever been told you are an old soul? That is recognition of the wisdom that was inherently there in you. Chosen ones often experience a sense of rebirth, transcending the limitations of their current existence. This longing for something beyond Earth's ways reflects a soul's yearning for a deeper connection to the cosmic dance of existence. The understanding of the immortality of the spirit is a profound sign. Chosen ones navigate the realms of past lives, embracing the wisdom carried through time, and find solace in the eternal nature of their spirit, transcending the transient boundaries of earthly experiences. Now, this might sound strange, but have you ever felt disliked for no apparent reason? Your inner light might be making others uncomfortable. Some might even envy the radiance within you, without understanding what it is they are sensing. Have you ever admired a child for their unbridled joy at day-to-day events? Others may view the innocent enthusiasm as silly, but you see it for what it is, wondrous. You are not bound to any requirement asking for anything else. Others may look at you questioningly at times, but recognize it for what it is, a desire for what was lost. Remember, don't let negativity dim your light, because as Mehmet Murat Ildan stated, the sun does not bother about the shadows of the past. Lastly, let's talk about that inner guide, or your intuition, an inner conviction, a gut feeling, or a fire in your soul. These are powerful forces propelling you towards something significant. Trusting this inner voice, even if it contradicts societal norms, is crucial. Albert Einstein emphasized the importance of intuition, stating, "The only real valuable thing is intuition." One of the most brilliant minds recognized the importance of following one's intuition. It is a compass that points you in the right direction or indicates to us when something is off. Chosen ones often have a deep-seated conviction that they are chosen for a significant purpose, understanding that life unfolds according to a higher plan. Solutions appear to reveal themselves to you as you follow your inner guide. Trust in the process. The universe is guiding you. And there you have it, the signs that you might be a chosen one. Remember, this journey is unique to you, and embracing these signs can lead to profound self-discovery. If you resonate with any of these, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more transformative content. Until next time, nurture your light.